healthy chickpea veggie salad. So it's just a few ingredients, no cook, none of that. You literally just chop it, throw it together, and it's ready to eat, and it's good for at least a few days in the fridge. Basically all it is you just need a cucumber, a red bell pepper, a large avocado, a can of garbanzo beans or chickpeas, and what I don't actually have, because they didn't really have any good ones at the supermarket when I went, is asparagus. If you want to put asparagus in this too, it's really good. And that's all it is. So you could add this. You could even add a little bit of red onion to your salad if you want. After I chop all this stuff up, we're just going to add a little bit of olive oil, and I have lemon juice because I don't have an orange, but you can add fresh squeezed orange to it too for the acidic part of the dressing, and it's really yummy. So I'm just going to chop all this stuff up. Okay, so I prepped all my ingredients. I just chopped up my red bell pepper and I peeled the cucumber and de-seeded it. Like, I scooped the seeds out with a spoon and then I chopped it up. I just opened up my avocado. Those are gonna go in last since they're so soft. And I opened my cans of chickpeas and I drained them in a colander and rinsed them out and put them in the bowl. So, usually with this recipe you're going to have kind of even amounts of everything, an even amount of pepper, bell pepper, cucumber, chickpeas, maybe a little less avocado than the rest. I only had one cucumber and I had 2 bell peppers, so I have a little bit more pepper than I do cucumber, but it's completely fine. Whatever you have basically is fine for this recipe. If you like more pepper, you can always add more pepper. It's pretty easy to just kind of throw in whatever you have with this. So I'm just gonna throw in my peppers and my cucumbers into my bowl, and it's falling out everywhere. Okay, so I'm just gonna mix these together. And if you plan on doing asparagus in your recipe, it's best to chop it up into kind of like bite-sized pieces and boil it or steam it in some water first, just so it gets tender. Because I think it's a little bit, that's what my mom told me at least, but it's a little bit harder to digest the raw asparagus than it is the cooked asparagus, and probably easier to eat too. So I mixed all this stuff up. Now I'm just gonna cut up my avocado. I had 2 avocados, but one wasn't ripe, so I'm just putting one in. I just kind of cube it up in the half and then just kind of squeeze it out of the avocado shell into the bowl. Alright, so now I'm gonna mix in my avocado. And then the last thing would be to add a little bit of oil and some sort of acidity. So I do, like I said earlier, I usually do orange juice, but fresh squeezed orange juice, but I'm going to do a little bit of lemon this time. And some olive oil. You could even add a little bit of like fresh chopped up parsley or cilantro if you want to this. Maybe some scallions. I think my mom added some herbs from the garden like thyme or some chive flowers to make it fancier. And that is it. I eat this a lot in the summer because it's a quick, easy recipe that's got protein and a ton of veggies in it. Let me grab a smaller spoon. It's really good though. The pepper gives it a nice crunch, and so does the cucumber. The lemon juice makes it light. The whole thing is like a really light meal. Definitely perfect for the summer, for lunchtime. Yeah, that's it. So chickpea veggie salad. I hope everybody has a great day.